water here if you want water.
You gotta be ready for it. What, Stacey? I gotta have a seat, man. Just like that, Mike. That's great, man. That's it? That's awesome, right? All right, now. Give it to you like that, baby. Mike, all day, Mike? Oh! All day, Mike? Yo, kiss him on his cheek when you do that shit. No. The ball. That was good. One down. I didn't see him. If Miguel was starting running, I thought you guys saw that.
I saw it.
You want my opinion, right? We got three, huh? Three? Wow, Mike! He's my head. He's my brains. You have to go back to the hospital tonight, man. Okay. Yeah. Fucking 80s shit is that? I busted the disco.
You guys got nuts?
What's wrong, Mike? God damn, man. Hey, 3-1.
I just got up.
That word. I was gonna punch it next to me. I didn't want to open up my hand. 5-1.
Got a lot of extra people out there.
And we got about 100 of these. after the holidays.
Yeah. Oh, pretty much by her, there's a lot of young guys on vacation.
Yeah, that's true too.
They took the lead, they changed the big goal. Right now, they might have weekend on.
Let's go. 5-1. 5-1. First man. Move, man.
I tried to.
Yo, 17. Try to go over here. Try to go over here. On his side?
Five, 4. 5, 4.
I saved it.
5, 4. First man.
5-4. Ya, I'm leaving. Vente.
5, 4.
Open up a bit. Locked down. I didn't see it. Move it, you guys open.
5, 4. 5, 4. Five, 4 still up. Short. Five up.
Man, look, be alert.
5 up.
I went out and put your head in a swivel. Gotta look.
5 up. Oh, 5 up. 8-5? 8-5.
Oh, where you going, boy?
Yes, sir. Ball. 1-5.
Yeah, yeah.
Over here, Ryan, that back. It's on your side. Move it up.
Who's out? Yeah. My country mom.
6-1. 6-1. No points. No points. And where's he going with it? Right here, right here.
No, leave it there.
Don't leave it there. Put it back there.
Okay, yeah, already get it.
6-2.
You guys ready?
6-2.
Back all the time.
Up, man. What score? 13-6. 13-6.
Keep my head on the phone.
13-6.
You go right. That was it, Mike. That was nice. You switch it over, Mike? Call me, guy.
Where's the leash, Mike? Why you gonna step on underneath it there?
Feel better with that, right?
So that's the corner. You step in.
Short. Yes, sir. 13-6.
It was out here.
Oh, that was wrong. It was good. What was that? What was it? It was good. Let it go.
Bang the shit out of that motherfucker, man. I tried to bring it right down the middle.
Go ahead, 6-1. 6-1, 6-1. No points. 6-1. Tell him, your corner. Don't point.
I was trying to tell Mike to go to the corner, man.
So then say it. Your corner.
Get that shit out, man.
Come on, man.
Get that shit out.
Come on, Macho.
See, that's what you get.
I won't point next time. I won't point.
Tell him, Mike.
No points. No points.
Just touch yourself.
No points. Yeah, that's exactly what the bottle is. Exactly. That's it over for the reach, man. Come on, man. I was afraid I was going to hit him, man.
Stop making excuses.
I did fuck up, but I was afraid I was going to hit him, too, man.
Your mix?
Yeah.
Like Gary Mix. Well.
Yeah, eight.
Still 3.
8-6. 8-6.
I want you.
6-8. 6-8. Come on. 6-8.
Kiss him.
Not even a little bit. Oh Lord. Know yourself, know your worth, nigga. My ex being louder than my words, nigga. How you so? I can still so down on earth, nigga.
Lord,
Niggas going through it, we can take it on they serve, nigga. Oh Lord. I'm the rookie in the bench. Shout out to the bitches out here holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keeps scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see some shit that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, 6 ain't friendly, but the way I lay up. This shit a motherfucking layup. I'm being Steph Curry with the shot. Big cooking with the sauce. Chef Curry with the pop, boy. 360 with the wrist, boy. Fuck them niggas say it's boy. OBO, man, we rolling with the shit, boy. Yeah, running with the shit. I could probably stop it here, boy, cause I got all the hits, boy. Fuck all that drink, you gotta chill shit.
Hit him.
I be
Go
on
hit him.
mouth dress.
I know, but you behind
No, we hit him. He's doing it. He's on the court. He's the first one right. But the ball is easily on the court. No, wait a minute. Miguel got me when I caught the ball. He's still on the court. The ball hits you, it's still down. Even it was on the first time. That was on the second time. The ball hit him. He said it was on the court. No, he did that shit to me.
You got it already.
No, remember on that court years ago that I caught one of these and you said I caught it on ball.
9-7.
What the hell did you use that one?
9-7. You scored one. 9-7. 9-7.
Yeah, remember that I caught it.
Ready?
That's right. He said you caught it.
Ready? You ready?
That's fucking right.
Go ahead. 9-7. Long. 9-7.
Told me that I'm all these people listen to. She said they love me
That.
unconditional.
20.
Imagine how I feel to watch another nigga at the top. You know that if you wasn't you would be dissing you, dog. Damn. Okay, from that perspective, I see what you're talking about. No way to soften that. Cause me, I was trying to find out where I lost him at, but maybe I ain't lose him at all. Maybe I keep moving forward and then the stagnant, they ain't moving at all. When they need their favor, they call. Maybe I'm searching for the problems, asking what was said and who was involved. Too focused on people's feedback and proving them wrong. They say the shoe can always fit no matter who put it on. These days feel like I'm squeezing in them. Whoever won before just wasn't thinking big enough. If I believe in what
1-7.
if I run the game in these days, seems to split it. No pun intended, but he's smelling defeat in the air. Headed where nobody took it for me to be there. We tell him that he's talking crazy, but he doesn't care. Being humble don't work as well as being aware. Listen up, boy, you better all be dropping. We already got spring 2015 popping. P&D dropping, reps up P dropping, Magic Jordan dropping, Obi dropping, not to mention me dropping. Feel like we paid the raps off and we fixed the game. Me and Noel been at it before Twitter names. Yeah. Been on the move like the lease is up. And I can't even name one person that's keeping up. Yeah. Fuck how it was in the past tense. We match up now. Cause I'm only 27 and I'm only getting better. If I haven't been on now, for real.
Orgasm.
That's 2 points. So both he's missing.
Telling me, I relaxed me thinking he was gonna take it, man. Then I had to fucking step.
That shit took him off, man.
And I was thinking it was getting a different time.
1, 2.
Look at that. Whatever you say.
Time out.
Mariposo. DJ Mariposo. DJ Ible Puto. That's your stuff.
Like, you need to take 5 after this.
Gotta bring it down.
3, 2, 1.
Nah, this is an app. It's not.
Just look back. No, we need Jerry. It's a good ball.
3, 2, 1.
He's supposed to stay still, huh?
No point.
Slapped him in the ceiling.
No point. 3, 2, 1.
It's fucking everyone like this.
There you go!
Yeah, there's 4 women that's in the
3 up.
That was my fault, man. Shit out of that motherfucker.
3 up. 3
I
up.
know, man. I can't, man. You're not right, man. Let it go.
Come on, son.
Keep your head to swivel, Mike. It's coming to you.
Short. Is there no one else?
Oh, you guys playing? Let's go.